Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my akara. Yes, I still enjoy bean cake while trying to eat healthy, and for those of us on a weight loss journey, this is for you. So in here I have my washed beans and then carrots. Yes, I'm going to use carrots, yes, to give my bean cake that vibrant color. Then habanero pepper, onion, seasoning cube, and also I'll be using 1 egg. So I'll just transfer all of this to my blender, and then I'll add the egg, and then I'll add salt. So yes, to taste. After blending, you can taste the butter to see if you need to adjust seasoning, but this was okay for mine. So I'm just going to blend till it's very smooth. And the consistency, it's like our regular akara, our regular bean cake, not too thick, not too runny. So this is where the twist comes in. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of oil, and then I line my baking tray already. So I'm just going to brush this, and I'll transfer it to my preheated oven. Yes, because I want the paper to heat up. So when I add the butter, it just starts to cook immediately. Plus my oven is preheated, so when I brought that from the oven, the oil came together in one place. So I just had to brush it again, and then I'll be scooping my butter into my lined baking tray with oil, and then I'll transfer this to the oven. So after 15 minutes I brought it out, and I'm going to be flipping over so it can also cook on the other side, so the bean cake or akara will cook evenly, or rather bake evenly. So I'll just flip this over, and you can see that it was coming off so easily. That's because the baking paper is greased with oil, and it's just a tablespoon of oil. Imagine frying all of this akara with a tablespoon of oil. So I just pop that into my oven, and I'll be preparing my custard. Yes, I'm going to use custard to eat this akara. What a great combo, what a great pair. So this is just me making custard. I see a lot of videos of people saying they always get custard wrongly. So let's leave that for now. This is my akara after another 25 minutes. So in total I baked this akara for 40 minutes in the oven, yes, at 180 degrees Celsius, and my akara is ready. So over to the custard. When making your custard, just make sure the consistency, when you're mixing, make sure the consistency is thick, but not too thick. It should be thick, not runny. And then make sure your water is hot, but not overboiled. Like when your water just boils, then pour into your custard, and you just mix, and that's all. So I paired my baked bean cake with custard, and trust me when I say this is a healthy alternative to our deep fried akara, especially if you've told yourself, I want to eat healthy starting from this year. Please, you need to try this recipe, and let me tell you, there'll be no going back. Trust me on this. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for